Hi all, welcome back to my channel TechnoGeek. So today we'll learn one of the most important question in the interviews. To whichever interview you attend on the Selenium, you'll be getting this OOPS concept, where the OOPS concepts are applied on the Selenium framework, whether it is of TestNG or whether it is of BDD. So we'll discuss on that mainly. We have four OOPS concepts. First is abstraction. Second is inheritance. Third is polymorphism. Fourth is encapsulation. So where we'll apply these four concepts in our framework. So this is, guys, this is very important question. After your introduction, in many interviews, people will straight away ask, where have you used all the OOPS concepts on your framework? Okay. First is abstraction. So abstraction basically consists of abstract classes and interface classes. So this abstraction is mainly used to store the test data and call the abstract methods by using extents, and also interface methods by using implements. We can call the test data class into our test cases as well as page objects, and then we can use the data. In the sense, in crude way, we'll be keeping all the test data in one Java class, and we'll be calling that Java class in our page objects to use. Okay. Then inheritance. Inheritance concepts comes in basically in any of the TestNG or BDD or Playwright, any of the frameworks. This inheritance concept comes when we keep a driver like system.set property in one class, and we'll be calling the system.set property in all the page objects or in all the test cases to run as a interface. We'll be keeping one Java class aside, and we'll be calling that to the child class. Means we'll be calling the parent class code to the child class, and we'll be using the driver in all the classes as same. There comes up with the inheritance concept. Okay. Then polymorphism. In polymorphism, we have method overloading, and method overriding. So basically these two concepts are very much important. Even though if an interviewer does not ask about OOPS concepts, in many cases they'll ask explain polymorphism concepts like method overloading and method overriding. So method overloading in our framework basically used when comes up with the assert statements. When using the assert commands, we'll be going ahead and overloading the data with the same, sorry, with different signature as well as with different return type. Here in method overloading, we can have like different data type of the signature or different number of variables in the signature. Then method overriding comes into picture when we want to override any of the method from the parent class to the child class. We'll be using this method overriding with the same method name, same signature and same return type. And then later on we'll be using better to use a annotation at the rate of override in the subclass, and we can override that method actions. Then encapsulation comes into picture when any of the passwords or any of the encrypted data are present in the test data class. Then encapsulation comes into picture, like for encrypting the password, for encoding and decoding the password, encapsulation comes into picture. So all these four concepts are much more important in OOPS concept on the Selenium, whatever the framework you opt for, whether it is robotic framework, whether it is hybrid framework, whether it is TestNG, BDD, whatever it is, these four concepts are must, guys. So please go through these concepts. That's all for today. Thanks, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel TechnoGeek. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye.